I once had a girlfriend who was cross-eyed, but we had to break up. Yeah, we can never see eye to eye. You're welcome.
Cruel, cruel world, must I go on? Cruel, cruel world, I'm moving on. I've been living too fast, I've been living too wrong. Cruel, cruel world, I'm gone. This big old world sure got me running round. Heard a voice, it told me settle down. With the moonlight as my guide and this feeling deep inside, I know now that I'm homeward bound. As I wander through the pines, the whisperings they tell of the many before me who tried and fell, seeking fortune and ways to get to glory days, looking for a place in this old world. Cruel, cruel world, must I go on? Cruel, cruel world, I'm moving on. I've been living too fast, I've been living too wrong. Cruel, cruel world, I'm gone. Take it away. Desert road, desert plain, I have seen so much pain. Now I see into the eyes of a girl. No more cruel world. On a dusty trail I saw a vapor light. Was it mirage? Don't know, but it seemed right. I felt mission, I felt trust. I knew then that I must go to her, away from this cruel world. Cruel, cruel world, must I go on?
Well, here we go.
Yeah, first fire in
She's
the
in.
shack.
Man, it's already kind of warm in here. It's not insulated yet.
No, we got to do that, but it definitely keeps the heat a bit, at least close to it. I mean,
It-
you can warm up easy.
It's already warming up.
Yeah,
But we'll get it insulated. Get it
For
all sorted
sure.
out. But it's in.
yeah,
So this isn't too bad.
we love it.
Yeah.
Exciting.
This is actually the mast off of the power.
So we reused it.
Yeah. And then the rain cap is also from the power thing.
Yeah,
Yeah. So it's pretty cool.
yeah, it's pretty good.
So
Saved
we'll-
us buying new stuff when we had it right here to work with.
Yeah. So and that stuff I was putting on there, that's gasket, high heat gasket maker. This is pretty good. You can walk right around this thing too. So you got
keep
lots of
wood,
room.
keep
Yeah.
wood stored to the side of it and stuff. And there's a metal sheet underneath. You would have seen Jeremy Lane, so that's
Yeah.
what that was.
Flashing.
Yeah,
Fascia metal.
Yeah.
You can roll of it. Just laid out a couple pieces.
yeah, just to be safe.
So we'll get it insulated though, and this will be pretty good. We'll
Yeah.
let this bake and probably get the heck out of here while we don't breathe it in.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
our warming shack.
Man, it's nice. It's warm now.
Love it.
Yeah, cool. And another thing we got here, wood for the walls is here.
Everything, all the walls should be enough for all
Yeah.
of them. So that's awesome, eh?
Yep. All the headers, 2x6 walls, the whole deal. Other than the interior walls, just all the exterior.
Yeah. So we'll have a shell.
Yeah. And you'll notice a roll of Tyvek there. I notice a lot of people are using zip sheathing now to not have to use that. And we priced it here. Somebody had mentioned it not too long ago, and I said, I think it's like probably 50% markup. Well, I was way off. It's actually, OSB is $24 a sheet right now, 7/16, which that's expensive for OSB, but compared to $64 it was in the May, it's, it's a lot better.
Yeah.
But for a sheet of the Zip It, is $85, $86.
Just crazy.
For one sheet of Zip It. So we're not rich, so there'll be no Zip It here. So you'll be seeing us using 7/16 OSB, and that's $100 for a roll of that.
Yeah.
So this is a lot cheaper and a lot better way to do it. So
man, like just save like over $1,000.
Oh, way over that? Nope. It was, what was it? 600, around $600 for this, right?
For all the OSB, yep.
For if that was Zip It, it would have been $2,400.
Yeah.
It would have been more than that. That's just like rough guess, but it's almost 4 times as much.
Oh, so crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy
It's not
more
a lot.
expensive.
It's not that much work to wrap the house in Tyvek or whatever, house wrap, gee, for that price.
Not at all. No.
My goodness.
So I had just looked into it because I see a lot of people using it right now. Just,
maybe in the States it's a different price, but here it is so not worth it.
What it was is I thought we did the draining again.
Yeah,
So that's why we're not building a wall right at the moment. But this here stuff we put on the floor there, that's waterproof stuff, right? So the tongue and groove. So we were going to go with 3/4 inch plywood, and to go with that stuff, I think it was like $5 more a sheet. So I was like, it's worth the insurance of it, right?
Yeah.
To get that. So I was like, the Zip It's probably, what is it? Probably another $5, maybe it's similar kind of thing, $5 more a sheet or something. I was like, nope.
Yeah,
it was
like
$60 more a sheet.
Yeah, no thank you.
Over $60 more a sheet.
Ooh, gross.
So, yeah, I don't know if the prices are just way cheaper down the States or if it's that everybody's rich.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Anyhow, it's all here. We're ready to go as soon as this rain lets up. And if it doesn't too much, maybe we'll just frame a couple walls in the rain.
Yeah.
We're already past that point now, so we're good to, you could work in the rain a bit now. So
yeah,
we'll see. We get that inside though, so we can always work inside a little bit too.
Yeah, we might end up using some of that bubble foil we ripped off the floor on the walls in there because we have quite a bit of it and we want that place to be warm so we can warm up as we're building this. I mean, it's more important to have that place insulated than the floor of this cabin right now. So we might use it on the walls, and then we have some bats of insulation we'll probably put in the ceiling that one of Jeremy's friends gave us. So we're just kind of using what we have at the moment, and then that way we have our warming shack ready to go as we build this joint.
The tiny cabin, man, it's close to being ready. We just got to clean it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Maybe build a couple little shelves to hang our tools and stuff.
That'd be good.
And we use the camper there too. We throw a lot of tools in there now because we're kind of transitioning since it's colder weather to make sure we have that wood stove going. So
yeah,
Sam is a place to hang out, and she likes running around in the rain anyway. So
yeah, but we do have quite a bit of wood in there to make shelves. That'd be a really good idea.
Yeah. We'll get her sorted out.
All right.
All right. Yes, it's great and wonderful. Let's get out of the rain.
Yeah.
Here we are.
We got to start on the ceiling.
Yeah. We had a bag of insulation we got off a buddy of ours.
Yeah.
So that's what it did.
It's
So I'll have to get more for the rest here.
awesome though. Good start.
Yeah.
And then if we bubble foil the walls, it really probably only have to buy one bag of insulation. That's not bad. One more bag of the pink stuff.
Yeah. With this light, I can see like random floaties floating around. And also your breath big time. The fire's pretty much outy.
Still feels warm though.
Yeah, it does.
It's doing a good job heating this little tiny
We get the
place.
door open right behind me.
Yeah.
But, man, this is going to be pretty cool.
I know, eh?
Yeah.
Next time we come, we'll bring another bag.
Yeah. Sounds good.
And then we'll use the bubble foil. I have it all stored in the camper at the moment. We'll just bring it all out and staple it on the walls. Call it done.
Yeah. Well, let's get out of here.
All right.
It's a crappy day.
It is crappy
been
today.
Like this for weeks.
I know, so much rain. We're getting
Yeah.
a lot of rain right now.
See ya.
See ya.